Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming saves are synced to the cloud. Make sure your Xbox profile shows recent sync times. Once done, plug the console into steady power and have a paired controller ready. Now press the Xbox button, then go to Profile and System Right Arrow Settings, Right Arrow System. Make sure you have time. This first step opens the console info menu that leads directly into the reset workflow so you don't waste time guessing options. Once in console info, select Reset Console and you'll see two main choices. Choose carefully. Reset and remove everything fully wipes user accounts, settings, and local game data. Use it if you're selling or troubleshooting deep errors. Reset and keep My Games and Apps preserves installed titles while clearing accounts and settings. Choose it to save reinstall time. After you pick an option, Confirm, the console will restart and begin the reset process, which can take several minutes to complete. When the reset completes, the Xbox restarts into the initial setup flow. Sign in with your Microsoft account so cloud saves and licenses restore automatically. If the reset fails or hangs, make sure power is stable and try an offline system update via USB as an alternate recovery method. This replaces system files without the dashboard. If issues persist after that, power cycle the console and check for hardware faults, and then contact Xbox support for guided recovery. Don't retry risky procedures blindly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.